Yeah, hello my people, welcome again to Pidgin tutorial channel. Today the video where I want to now about how to buy shares of companies for Nigeria and Obodo Oyibo. And I go do part 1, part 2 and part 3 of this video because I don't want to make it long well. Una go fit watch the video and understand wetin I dey talk. So the first thing I go talk we say wetin be shares. If we search for Google could tell us, say, give us the meaning of share. So if we see for here now, we go Investopedia. Means say this Investopedia they always talk about money. So wetin we fit see for here be say share na like wetin they call equity, and it represents like a part of a company. So for example now, MTN na company where we know where they give us a SIM card where we dey use call and buy data. So wetin MTN do be say MTN can create shares where be say people fit buy, and with that money they go to use and do many things for inside the company, make the company big. And some of the company too, anytime they make money, you get wetin they call dividends. Dividends now like part of the money where they make for 1 year, they go give people where buy their share. So one of the reasons why they do this video be say if you buy shares from company like MTN, they give dividend. So make we look the dividend where MTN give last year, and from this one we go fit know say okay now company where we go fit buy shares from, so that by this time next year if MTN pay out dividend, we self go get inside. So make we search for MTN. In case una want know the app where they use, this app where they use check and they call them investing.com. I go put them for the link. So if una look now, MTN, make I come out this thing where they disturb me. Okay. If we look here now, the dividends for MTN last year now about 10 naira. If you look August 2021 and May 2021, now about 10 naira. So wetin that one mean be say if you get one MTN shares, they will give you times 10. They will give you 10 naira. So if you can't get like more say 200 MTN share, they go pay you this year 2,000 naira. So the reason why they do this video be say in case you want to save money small and don't go put your money for all those things where be say na scam. This app where they call Trove, na app where be say they do am for people where they Nigeria. Nigerian people self they fit buy MTN shares and they fit use them, they invest their money. And the reason, one also reason why they do this thing be say I know one of my friend where be say when his mama start to dey work when she dey young, his mama work for bank, so his mama come dey buy plenty shares where be say after like 20 years the money come become big money where be say she use that money send her pikin go Obodo Oyibo. So for this Trove app now where they show now, now be the app where I go do part 1, part 2 and part 3 of video. It go show us how I go show for the video how we fit put money for the app. After you don't download the app, you go register. They go ask you for your BVN, your NIN. They go ask you for your ID card, because this thing where they do for this app now legit. So you must put everything where concern you. They must be original. So this one are the first part of the video to introduce this app where they call Trove, Trove. For those of you where they use Android, I go put one link for this video wey be say if you just click the link, it go carry you go their website, you go register, then you go fit download their app to use. So this one are the first part of the video. I don't want to make it long well. So I beg make una watch the second and the third part. Una do well.